Hey, what's happening everyone? JayShockblast here, and check it out. Today I have the brand new Elgato Facecam Pro. This is a true 4K webcam, and it's very impressive. These things are selling out left and right. One thing I want to point out is I am sponsored by Elgato. I'm an Elgato partner, but I actually bought this because they're not available to partners quite yet, because they're selling out. They can't keep them in stock, and I just wanted it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and what you're looking at me through right now is the original Elgato webcam. So this one is going to have all sorts of great stuff. 4K Ultra HD at 60 frames per second, stunning 2160p resolution, and a fluid 60 frames per second, large area Sony sensor, PTZ control, pan, tilt, and zoom effects via camera hub, variable focus, Premiere AF lens, flash memory, save settings directly to the camera, and the camera hub app. So that's all the stuff that's listed right here on the back. We're gonna go ahead and bust this bad boy open because I would rather you be looking at the video through it. $2.99 I believe is what I paid for it. Got here pretty quick. They are in and out of stock, so I don't know when they'll be in stock again, but when they are, if this is interesting to you, I would just recommend you get it. So it's nice to be able to get products for review and stuff like that, but that's not always the most important thing to me. Just to be able to get it and have it now is great. I'm hoping to use it more with unboxings and stuff like that. I mean, obviously this webcam as a webcam is, I feel like, one of the best on the market. I haven't used too many extras, but I mean, I love it, and I think I always look really good. All right, so here we have the Elgato Facecam Pro quick start guide, and we're gonna go ahead and open it, and that's what you can see right here in the box. We've got the instructions. It's got USB-C cable. Wow, looks like USB-C to USB-C. That's interesting. It's got the actual piece that you can set up on your actual monitor if you want to hang it that way. I actually use the mic arm that they have, the Elgato mic arm. The low profile I use for my mic. This is the bigger one that goes kind of up and down. So when I'm not using it, I'll usually just flip it up. All right, so no plastic on any of the packaging. So that's one thing that they're focused on. So it's significantly bigger, okay? I know you can't see the size of the face cam. It's not as thick, but it's longer. And we're gonna go ahead and take this off, and voila. So there it is. Now, one thing I do like, it is recessed right there, so the actual cable goes all the way in. I do have some USB-C. I do have a place on my computer for USB-C to plug in, so that's one thing to keep in mind. I feel like I should have known that already. I have a pretty beastly computer, so and it is a pretty long cable. My best guess is it's about 6 feet. I don't know if that's going to be long enough, so we'll see. But for now, I'll probably, like right here, I'll hopefully, like, we'll just do this. You know, you probably have a video of me holding these kind of side by side. We'll just do this so you can see the kind of difference between them right there as they're side by side. So much longer, not quite as thick, but let's go ahead and set it up. Holy crap. Okay. I'm just looking at myself on the screen. I literally plugged it in and that's it. That's the only thing I did. I didn't change any settings. It's on the same settings I had on my other camera. I haven't set anything up for it to like follow me around, but oh my God, look at how incredible that is. Like here's, let's see. Look at, I'm like literally right in front of it. I just grabbed the first thing that I could. It comes in and out of focus. Wow. It's stunning the difference between this little guy right here, who has served me well, okay? Like, if you can only afford a face cam, you are not going to be disappointed in this guy right here. But my good Lord, I'm not even dipping into any special settings whatsoever. This is literally plug and play. I think the last time that my computer crashed, I don't think I went through and did any deep settings changes or anything like that. All the colors are crystal clear and vibrant. I've got like my, let's use my control center. I've got my Elgato key lights are focusing in on me. So it does zoom a little bit. So if you move your hand around, it's gonna, do all that. I can see I haven't shaved in a day or two. But let's just like change some of these colors a little bit. I'll just do that. Because like you can see like all the coloring and everything. Wow, everything is so clear. Like the Jin Sakai statue doesn't always pop out the way that it is right now. You can kind of see a little bit of everything that's going on in my background. The lighting is significantly better. I've been using this Facecam Pro, regular Facecam, since it came out. I had a launch unit. I had it on launch day. I had it, perks of being a partner. I can't imagine there are many reviews of this Facecam Pro out there, but for $299, a lot of people go out and get, the Sony cameras. They go out and they get the Canons and the Nikons, the actual DSLRs. I have like a lens that I used to use on my, I think I had a Sony A6100, and I used to use my my Canon lens that I used to shoot at concerts, and it was beautiful. I used the the Elgato the stick that you could connect it to. I should know this off the top of my head, but I don't at the moment. But I use that, and I was able to use my Sony camera with my Canon lens, $3,000 lens, and like this right here is every bit as clear as that. It's kind of crazy. It's really crazy, and I think I've said everything that needs to be said. This is purely an unboxing and showing you how it looks, right? Like, I didn't do anything fancy. It does a really good job with everything in the background. I don't think I can change any of the settings kind of on the fly. I'm sure that we can dig a little bit deeper at some point. But honestly, just this alone, let's actually turn on my game and see what happens if we switch over to here and close. There we go. Wow. Hold on, Facecam border. Alright, Facecam. Let's unlock it. Let's put me. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to make some adjustments here. But like, look at how it look at as I make it even smaller. Just look at how amazing it is for just that. So I listen. I could have waited a few more months. Maybe they would have sent it to me for free. Zero regrets. Let's go ahead and go back to the Facecam. This is it right here, the Facecam Pro. This is available now, sometimes. Wow. So $2.99, link in the description. Tell them JayShockblast sent you. We'll see ya.